Oh, so it's really that begin with the end in mind mentality. If you know where you want to get to and you can find that platform to get to, it just makes the path that much better, as opposed to kind of laying the tracks as you go and then having to kind of go back and reorganize things. We really wanted to try and start with that vision of where that should go. And Zach really painted a good picture of this is the kind of place we want to be once we get the product and the customers there. This is going to give us a chance to really manage that. And it really was that pivot from saying we're not just selling product to make a dime on the product. We're selling the service, and we're selling the reusability of this product. The more uses you get out of a product, the more miles you can put on that engine, if you will, the better it is for the environment, the better it is for the customer, the better it is for us.